When you buy an eyepiece, if you're lucky, they usually come with something called a bolt case. In this case, this is a Meade 56mm Super Plusle. It came in its own bolt case. Sometimes even the new ones don't have a bolt case. This is a second-hand one, so no bolt case for this. Another second-hand one, Celestron 50mm, no bolt case. Another second-hand University Optic Conic 2, no bolt case. So I found a solution for this. If you go to any shop, this is from Morrison's, you will find that they have this kind of cups. And this one I bought it from the supermarket called Morrison's in Britain for £1. And they look to be the right size, but I have also this one, which is a soup kind of container. It's airtight, and that was £2, that was £1, so about two of this. So if I can put this inside one of these, that's my problem solved. The reason is that these bolt cases, usually like this one, are quite expensive, £5 up to £8 or £10, depending on the size. So getting something cheap like that and strong, these are strong but not as strong as this. And it is also, it has a LED. So if I can put it inside here, that will be really good. It is easily available. You can just pick it from any shop and you can use it for this purpose. Let's see if I can do this. Okay, I have here one eyepiece. This is a Starguider ultra wide 80 degrees 30mm fully multi-coated eyepiece. It's quite a nice eyepiece. Didn't come with anything, it just came with this second-hand about. It comes just with one dust cap for the bottom, nothing for the top. So I was always worried how can I keep it. Now look, this easily so far fits inside. If I can screw this and it will be there, that's it, this is done. I have a no bolt case for the eyepiece and it's transparent. I can see what is written inside. I don't need to write anything on this bottle. So I have another one which I'll put one of these eyepieces, 15mm Celestron Plusle, very sharp views. Okay, let's see if it goes there. Yeah, it goes there and it stays there. Now I have two bolt cases. In the past I tried to use something like this container, which is good, but because it's not a screw on, when you tighten it up here, it may cut even your finger when you try to open it. So now we have something specifically as if designed for the eyepieces, 2-inch eyepieces in this case. Really nice, really good, and I can use it. And I have another one here which has my other eyepiece. So £1 compared with £8 that you sometimes have to pay. Even from China when you buy, they're expensive. So that's it. We have now bolt cases for our eyepiece. Compare this with this one. I prefer these ones. They are beautiful. They are written, with the letters, the name of the eyepiece. I feel this one is more stronger actually. Easier to open also. You just unscrew the top. This one is a little bit too much. And it may accidentally open on its own. But this one, no way. You can put also, if you want, some foam inside it just to keep it, from rattling. Doesn't matter much, but if you prefer, you can just use that. So, food container changed to eyepiece holder.